How to make money online for beginners. This video will answer the most pressing question: how to make money online for beginners. Most people think that making money online is for the unemployed and bored. We somehow tend to imagine young moms or students trying to make an extra buck by blogging or posing on social media. Most people just jump in without knowing how. Making money from home can be a great idea if you understand how to do it right. Imagine having a steady income stream from an online business and the unlimited possibilities it can create for you. Isn't it worth investing a little time into it? Today, we will discuss 10 easy ways to start making money online right away, even if you are a beginner and never earned online before. Number 1. Freelance writing. There are several ways you can make money on the internet, and one of the best ways is through freelance writing. Becoming one of freelance writers is a good option because there is always a demand for content and it allows you to work from home. Other options available for those who are looking to make money on the internet include article writing and blogging. You can earn anywhere between $5 to $500 per article, or even $1,000 if you write for the top blogs. You don't need to have your own website or anything to get started, just Google websites that pay you to write. Number 2. Affiliate marketing. The beauty of affiliate marketing is that you don't have to own a high-traffic website to get started. If you play your cards right, you can offer products to your friends and family on Facebook through your affiliate links and generate a little side income from their purchases. You obviously don't want to spam anyone or beg them to use your link before buying. However, you can promote products you already use and are happy with. That way, you end up genuinely recommending products and services without coming across as pushy. Number 3. Take surveys. This can be annoying and only for those who are bored and have a lot of spare time on their hands. Taking surveys can pay well, especially if you're in an English-speaking country. You can make up to $250 of easy extra income just proving feedback, which isn't that bad. Number 4. Become virtual assistant. On micro-niche websites like Fiverr, Zertual, and Upwork, you can become a virtual assistant for someone. Those who already took their business to a new level and had too much going on often hire a virtual assistant that answers calls, forwarded to you online, or handles emails, requests, etc. If you don't mind a busy schedule solving someone else's agenda, this can be a nice side hustle. High-end virtual assistants earn between $50 to $100 an hour, but if you are just getting started, $10 could be good pay. It's still better than wrapping hamburgers at McDonald's. Number 5. Write reviews. Yes, all the reviews you always rely on when buying something, most of them are sponsored. This doesn't mean it's fake or not genuine. Simple people were incentivized to try the product and leave a review based on their experience. Could be a time-consuming gig, but again, if you combine all of the tips we gathered here today and start making money online utilizing at least 5 of them, you can start earning a decent extra income to cover the bills, and you don't even need to have a website or dive into online marketing strategies.